From Florida to Alaska, from the East Coast to the West Coast. Join Jane and Steve celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary, traveling across North America in the Cool Nana Coach, their 27-foot 4 Freedom Elite Class C motorhome, as they visit the many beautiful points of interest in all 50 United States on their golden anniversary adventure. Our RV journey to Alaska was, in a word, incredible. Absolutely no regrets making the journey whatsoever. We planned the trip for nearly 3 years, listing points of interest we wanted to see, not only in Alaska, but in the lower 48 states and the Canadian provinces we would be traveling through to get to Alaska. While making extensive preparations for this 16,000-mile-plus journey, among the many concerns I addressed were concerns about the house battery's location. Considering we expected to drive extensively on dirt, gravel, and chip-seal roads throughout the Canadian provinces and Alaska. On our Class C coach, the batteries are mounted beneath the coach access stairs, and they are exposed to the elements. The road debris that we would incur would wreak havoc on the batteries. The answer, of course, was to relocate them. But where? Additionally, I considered an upgrade to solar energy generation to enhance our ability to boondock without running the generator constantly. The answer proved simple. I removed the batteries from their factory location and tied all the positive battery cables together, insulated them with shrink tubing, and covered the whole thing with rubber hose. This ensured that all circuits remained intact and insulated. I then mounted a 200 amp hour lithium-ion battery inside the dinette seat compartment, which is where the 12-volt isolator switch happens to be located. I attached the battery positive cable to the input lug of the isolator switch and ran a ground cable from the battery through the floor and attached it to the main ground lug of the generator. Next, I mounted a solar panel controller within the same compartment and attached it to the existing solar panel circuit, which I discovered that led to the roof, where I mounted two 100-watt solar panels. The panels were easily mounted with screws into the roof and a heavy coat of Dicor. Next step was to upgrade the original charger converter to a lithium-friendly charger. This step is necessary to fully charge the lithium battery properly. You don't have to do this, but if you don't, you will only appreciate 70 to 80% of the potential battery charge. Together with our 2,000-watt inverter, we can boondock now up to 6 days without the need to run the generator. I plan to add additional solar panels in the near future now that I know my system is totally functional. We were able to watch television for a couple of hours a day as well, thanks to our 2,000-watt inverter.